Hello everyone, this is AI Digital. Today our topic is GPT-4. GPT-4 is a large multimodal accepting image and text inputs, emitting text outputs. Exhibits human level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks. GPT-4 has officially arrived, confirming the long-time rumors around its improvements to the already incredibly impressive language skills of OpenAI's ChatGPT. GPT-4 was officially announced on March 13, as was confirmed ahead of time by Microsoft. It's only available in the ChatGPT Plus paid subscription. OpenAI call it the company's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. Here's everything you need to know about it, including how to use it and what it can do. The easiest way to get started with GPT-4 today is to try it out as part of Bing Chat. Other way to use GPT-4 is to buy paid subscription. OpenAI releasing GPT-4's text input capability via ChatGPT and the API with a waitlist to prepare the image input capability for wider availability. OpenAI is collaborating closely with a single partner to start, and also open sourcing OpenAI Evolves, framework for automated evaluation of AI model performance, to allow anyone to report shortcomings in models to help guide further improvements. One of the major improvements of GPT-4 over ChatGPT is ability to accept visual inputs and understand them. This is the groundbreaking factor which will emerge and revolution in the industry. So this is the main and the greatest feature of GPT-4. It can read images and it can tell everything about it and make your assignments accordingly as due to AI. With GPT-4 can process up to about 25,000 words of text. ChatGPT can be and has been used for various purposes, writing codes, composing emails, integrating into WhatsApp as a virtual chatbot, mastering Excel and cooking assistant, to name just a few. GPT-4 will be available to do all of these. GPT-4 will change the way we interact, create and work. Its potential are far-reaching and can have deep implications in the way AI is used and deployed. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.